Hello, you're welcome again. Today we are going to solve this question which says solve for x if a raised to the power 2 minus x is equal to t. Solution: a raised to the power 2 minus x equal to t. To solve this, we'll take log of both sides. Take log to the base a of both sides. Therefore, we are going to have log a raised to the power 2 minus x to the base a is equal to log t to the base a, which gives us, we are going to apply this law. Log a b raised to the power c is equal to c log a to the base b. Doing this, apply the law here, we have 2 minus x log a base a is equal to log t base a. Doing this, if we continue, we need to work on this left hand side by expanding the bracket, which gives us 2 log a to the base a minus x log a to the base a is equal to log t to the base a. Doing this, then we can continue by working on this side using these two laws. The first law I'm going to use here is that I'm going to use the same law. Watch, since this is equal to this, it means that this is equal to this. Watch, this is the same thing as this, so this will be equal to this. Therefore, we are going to have log a to the log a square, because the 2 go to the front. Get that? Then this other side, this other log we're going to use is log a base a is equal to 1. When the number and the base are equal, we are going to get 1. Then we are going to get x times 1, which is equal to log t base a. Then we continue from here. We are looking for x. This is 1 times x will give us x. Therefore, when we take x this side, we'll bring this side. We are going to get log a square base a minus log t base a is equal to x. X moves to this side, this comes to this side. They have the same base. From law of logarithm also, we also have that if we have log a base a minus log b base a, the same base, we take one of the base, then we're going to do now become a all over b. The same law will be applied here. Log a, then a square all over t, which in this case a is equal to a square, t is equal to b. When you compare them, you get this. So this is our final answer. Please like this video, share this video, and please subscribe to this channel. It will help this channel to grow so that we can also continue to bring you good content. Thank you very much. See you soon.